Welcome to Short Stack Slots. I'm out at High Winds Casino today. Guys, I got 3 machines with $30 loaded in each one. We're going to do 10 max bet spins on each machine. Let's see which one pays out the most and can we end up with a profit today. So we're going to start on Lucky Ducky. $1 denomination, $3 a spin. There's one. Come on, Ducky. 2. 3 spins. 4. Got us a little hit there. Spin 5. 6. There's spin 7. Spin 8. Spin 9. Last spin on Ducky. Alright guys, we ended up with $6. Out of that 30, we're going to go right beside here to Bourbon Street. We got us a 30 loaded in here. We're going to do 10 max bet spins. There's 1. 2. Spin 3, paid us $12. Oh, double bars, guys. Spin 4 was good for us. Spin 5. Spin 6. Another little hit. Spin 7. 3 more spins. 8. Spin 9. Last spin on Bourbon Street, guys. Alright guys, we put $30 in Bourbon. We're cashing out with 78. We're going to go right next door to Pieces of 8. We got $30 loaded in. 10 max bet spins. 15 right off the bat. We're going to spin 1. 2. There we go, $12. That was 3. Spin 4. Spin 5. 6. Paid another $12. Spin 7. Another $12. Spin 8. 15. Spin 9. And last spin on Pieces of 8. Alright guys, we got 66 left on Pieces of 8. We finished with $6 on Ducky, 78 on Bourbon, 66 on Pieces of 8. Looks like Bourbon Street won today. Thank you so much for watching Short Stack Slots. Please consider subscribing to the channel. Hit that thumbs up button. I'm going to see you soon.